Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Karen to Clean. And yeah, so in this video, I'm just basically kind of cleaning up my couch. And it's not that hard to clean up or anything like that because it's made of what's called microfiber fabric or whatnot. But anyway, I had just filmed a deep clean with me, like a summer deep clean type of thing. That video will be posted, I think, later in July. But since since I cleaned my living room really good and everything, I didn't get to my couch. And like I said, my couch doesn't ever get that nasty or messy or anything like that. There's basically some seams right there on the couch itself. So what I do is I take my vacuum, as you can see now, I take my vacuum and I clean like the cat litter off of it because my cats kind of get onto it and all that stuff. So when they, they get into the litter box or whatever, and they bring that litter, to the couches and all that. So that's all I'm basically doing in this video here is just cleaning up my couch. But I do a little bit more than that, and you'll see as it goes on. But I was just like, you know what? I was just thinking to myself, like, I just want to make a little short, pardon the pun, little short video of me just kind of cleaning the couch. And it kind of turned a little bit longer than 10 minutes. I just try to provide like a little small short video during the beginning of the week, just for y'all to have a little bit of content, a little bit of motivation to clean something or whatever. And I try to provide that at the beginning of the week because my normal posting days are always going to be Fridays at noon time. But I like to try to put out another video kind of in between so it don't go so long in between the week or whatever. But it never fails that it's going to go longer than 10 minutes or something like that. So anyway, I just wanted you guys to know that. But anyway, and again, like I said, I'll kind of talk more about the couch later in the video. But I just wanted to kind of give you a little tidbit, just funny, I was just thinking to myself, you know what? I want to get up and, clean the couch a little bit, vacuum it and all that stuff and everything. And I was just thinking, oh, it's only going to take me 10 minutes or so. And yeah, it's a little bit longer than that. But anyway, whatever. So I hope this gives you a little bit of motivation. And I just hope it gives you a little bit of burst of energy or whatever to kind of maybe clean your living room, clean your couches or whatever it is that you need to clean. It doesn't have to be the couch. It doesn't have to be the living room. It could be the bathroom, the kitchen, what have you. So anyway, without further ado, I'm going to play probably at least one or two songs. Probably, I don't know if it's going to be two songs, but at least something on here because I'll be talking later in the video anyway because I'll be sitting down and chatting with you guys. So this is all the talking I'm going to do right now. So anyway, make sure you like, share, subscribe, comment, all the things. Okay, guys, I will talk to you guys later in the end of the video. Bye. Okay, guys, I thought I would kind of sit here and chat with you. Okay, so I know this video wasn't exactly exciting or anything like that, but here's the thing, okay? So these couches are, I want to say maybe either 3 to 4 years old. I can't remember exactly what year we bought them, but we bought them at HomeZone, and they're the best couches we've ever owned, literally. And anyway, I looked to see if HomeZone still had them, and they do. They are quite pricey, and we knew it was an investment because one of these days, like I said, in our home, we do plan to do like wood flooring or whatever eventually. And these couches, let me show you something right here. Here's a feature. Let me see if you can see this. Okay, I just wanted to make sure you could see this. But here's a feature, and it's got some plug-ins and all that stuff. Eventually, you know, like when I'm sitting at my couch or whatever, I would like to just plug in my cell phone, like right here or whatever, and charge it and all that stuff. That way I don't have to get up and all that stuff because I'm relaxed and very comfortable. And I want to let you guys know, this is definitely not sponsored. This company did not reach out to me or anything like that. The reason why I'm talking about this couch is because, number one, I love this couch. Love these couches. They, like I said, these are the best couches we've ever owned. And the reason why I love it is because it does have some great features to it. As you can see, it has plenty of storage on it because, you know, I took the armrest up, I got everything out, vacuumed them out, and put them back down. So that's one feature. That's the reason why I don't do like a coffee table in my living room, because I want the space. I like the free open area. So that's why we don't do like the coffee table like, you know, most people do and all that. And I wanted something that would give us not only comfort, and this thing is really comfortable. I wanted something that would give us comfort, but I also wanted something that would give us storage too. And when we saw these, I was sold. However, they were quite pricey. I think they were about a little under $1,000, like $998. And right now they are on sale, and it's probably like a Father's Day sale. And like I said, I will make sure I post the link, you know, below in the description box if you guys decide that you might want it. Mainly here in Texas, because I think the company HomeZone is here in Texas. So I don't know if there are any other states or anything like that. You could try and see, but I'm sure like if you see something, if you want to order it online, you can. You don't necessarily have to go to the store. And like I said, this is not sponsored. They did not email me. They did not reach out to me or anything like that. We've had them for a while and all that. We're still paying on them and all that, but we're almost paid off. But I kind of wanted to kind of talk to you about this because it's, you know, it's so easy to clean. I've seen people, they will buy furniture, buy couches or whatnot, and they will have like cushions and stuff like that removable and all that stuff. I didn't want to do any of that. I was like, that's just too much upkeep for me, and I didn't want to do that. Best things about these is, I mean, the cushions are not removable or anything like that. They don't have the removable, cover, but they're so easy to clean. What I do, if, you know, our cats have definitely messed them up, and I won't go into too much description on it. They have messed it up. But all I do is, you know, get my water running and all that, because my water takes a long time to kind of get it hot or whatever. But I let my water go in my kitchen, let it get warm, hot or whatever, and I take a rag, and I take like the Dawn spray or whatever, and I also make my own too. I take it, I bring it in here, I will dampen up the rag or whatever, and I will literally just take the rag and wipe it up. It's so easy to maintain, guys. I mean, it's so easy to clean. So anyway, while I was kind of cleaning this couch, I just wanted to kind of tell you guys about it and everything like that. So that way, if you decide you want some of these, you can. They do still have them, and like I said, I'll link it down below. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. It's just a little short. I had filmed a deep clean in the living room, but I didn't do the couches or whatnot because it was just taking too much time on the other stuff and everything. And the deep clean will be posted like, you know, July. But I wanted to go ahead and vacuum my couches because they were really in need of kind of vacuuming. And like I said, they stayed clean for the most part. But I'm going to kind of give you a shot. Oh my gosh, guys, my cats are now fighting. Hang on one second. Well, they stopped. So anyway, let me get a drink of my water, guys. And I'm going to give you a close-up, and after that, we'll be done. Okay, so here's a close-up, and as you can see, the fabric is still in good shape. This area is still good shape. You know, you don't really see any scratches that I see or anything like that. So, really good condition. There's a spot I see that needs to be cleaned. Let me see if I can get it real quick. Sorry about that, guys. I hit the wrong dang button and it cut me off. As you can see, very easy to clean. Doesn't take much at all. Just a damp rag and I clean that spot off. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys, the rest of it. And as you can see, still in very good condition. And like I said, we've had these couches for at least about, 3 or 4 years or something like that. And they're still in good shape. Okay, guys, that's a wrap. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it gives you encouragement that, it doesn't take much to, clean the couches or keep them, maintained and clean and everything. So anyway, thank you for stopping by my channel. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, comment, do all the things, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.